Hey trading friend, I want to share with you how to use your brand new daily trade tracker. I removed my name from yours and cleared some of this data so that you can fill it in. So what you do here is you just add 1210. So if you want to add like 1213 and just hit enter, it will automatically put in the date here. You're going to put the stock ticker symbol here, how much your order amount is, how many of the quantity of the stock, what is the average price that you paid for. If you had multiple orders, you could continue to put like, 1213, 1213, 1213 if you had 3 orders for that day. And then when you close it, again, you're just going to put that and hit enter. And then this is in currency. So whatever number that you put here, let's just say 300, it's going to turn it into money. And then for the profit, I usually just subtract this amount, so this amount to this amount, and that was my profit. If you had a negative, then you would just put negative and then whatever that amount is. But I usually try to tend for profit, of course. And then lesson, I have lessons on here. Like SoFi only moves drastically during the first 30 minutes. It doesn't fluctuate enough to make decent profits. I do not have enough starting capital to make more profits with such a small stock price increase. So will I trade again? So this is what this means right here. Is like, will I trade this again? Yes or no. It's just a drop down. Yes or no. And I said no. So I'm not going to look at SoFi again. And then I went to the next stock and I put in some notes. Easily shifts from 10 cents increments, buying the future at 2.2, whatever. And I did some calculations here and how much I would get per trade. And if I'll trade again, yes. This day, what I did is I actually just closed out my my orders from the previous day on this day. And then I watched like a hawk on performance of certain stocks that I was researching and retracing all prior performances. And then I chose this stock for the day, and I didn't get to close it out because the stock market, it was just a bad day. Okay, like nobody really made any profit. At least I didn't, because I didn't have like options where I did puts. I'm a new trader, so I'm learning how to do that. All right, so the next tab on the bottom here is stocks. So how did it open? Did it open up or down? And I mean, that's just the easiest way for me to describe it. Like, was it green in the opening or was it in the red? So did it open going up or did it open going down? So, and then I just put my observations here. The next major movement, I wanted to see if there was any commonality between when traders are trading this specific stock. This is all one stock. So if you wanted to have another stock, you just you duplicate it. Okay, so you could duplicate it or create right here where it says to duplicate. You can literally just duplicate and have a new clean sheet, because your copy is going to look like this. So this is your copy right here. So yours is blank. And if you wanted to add another line, you just add this line. So it just continues like that. But I'm just going to delete it for right now. You can add it. I just wanted to make sure that you had delete row. I just want to make sure that you knew how to add more dates if you needed to add the dates. Okay, so there we go. And then yours also has blank other stock notes here. I just put different stocks in what I'm researching, ones that I want to add, and so yours is going to be a blank slate. But if we go back to mine over here, on other stocks right here, this was one that I was researching, and I just put how the price moves in 20-cent increments. I'm trying to look for, movements in the stock so I can make quick wins like a scalp trader. I hope that this quick overview was helpful. I wish you nothing but big wins and lots of success. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.